हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप कैसे हैं। आपको पता ही है यूजीसी नेट का एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाला है। तो हम यूजीसी नेट के लिए थोड़ी तैयारी करना स्टार्ट करते हैं। और जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस, जिसमें हमारे जो ये मटेरियल जो है आपके डीएसएसबी यूजीसी नेट केवीएस एनवीएस के लिए बेनिफिट रहेगा। अगर आप इसको रीड करके जाते हैं तो आपको एक दो क्वेश्चन इसमें से आ सकते हैं हर एग्ज़ाम में। सो आज हम जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो कलकत्ता पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी है। इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा ही आता है, तो हम इसका हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं। Calcutta Public Library was established in 1836. It was not a government institution. It ran on a proprietary basis. Any subscriber paying rupees 300 at one time or in three installment was considered a proprietor. Poor students and others were allowed to use the library free of charges for a specific period of time. The then Governor General Lord Metcalfe transferred 4675, it means 4675 volumes from the library of the College of Port William to the Calcutta Public Library. These volumes and donations of books from individuals formed the nucleus of the library. Dwarka Nath Tagore was the first proprietor of Calcutta Public Library. Both Indian and foreign books, especially from Britain, were purchased for the library. In the report of 1850, we find that the library has started collecting books in Gujarati, Marathi, Pali, Simbhali, and Punjabi. Donations were regularly received from individuals and from the government of Bengal and northwestern province. Calcutta Public Library had a unique position as the first public library in this part of the country. Such a tidy and efficiently run library was rare even in Europe. During the first half of the 19th century, thanks to the efforts of the proprietors of Calcutta Public Library, the National Library has many rare books and journals in its collection. The Imperial Library. The Imperial Library was founded in 1891 by combining a number of secretariat libraries. Of these, the most important and interesting was the Library of the Home Department, which contained many books for formerly belonging to the libraries of East India colleges, Fort William, and the East India Board in London. But the use of the library was restricted to the superior officers of the government. Amalgamation of CPL and Imperial Library. It means combination of Calcutta and Imperial Library का. Lord Curzon, Governor General of India in the early years of the 20th century, is usually credited with the idea of opening a library in Kolkata for public use. He found that he found that Imperial Library and Calcutta Public Library were not being used as expected because of limited access and lack of amenities. He decided to merge the collection of Calcutta Public Library with that of the Imperial Library, subject to certain terms. The new library, called Imperial Library, was formally opened to the public on 30th January 1903. It means 1903, 30 जनवरी 1903 को। और जो इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी ओपन हुई थी एट मैटकव हॉल में कोलकाता. द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी वर well designed in a notification in the Gazette of India. It is intended that it should be a library of reference, a working place for students, and a repository of material for the future historians of India, in which of So for as possible, every book written about India at any times can be seen at and read. John Macfarlane, assistant librarian of the British Museum, London, was appointed the first librarian of the Imperial Library. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ये जो क्वेश्चन है बार बार आपसे पूछा जाता है कि जो फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन थे वो कौन थे। तो जॉन मैकफर्लेन हैं जो कलकत्ता मेलगेट मीन्स इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी के जो लाइब्रेरियन रहे हैं, फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन ऑफ इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी। आफ्टर हिज डेथ द पॉलीगोट स्कॉलर हरिनाथ दे टुक ओवर द चार्ज ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी। J. Chapman succeeded him in 1911. During the Chapman term, the library imperial remarkable growth and improvement. After his retirement, Khan Bahadur M.A. Abdullah was appointed library and the conducted in offer till July 1947. John Macfarlane, the first librarian, Harinath De, the first Indian librarian. The policy of acquisition broadly other to by the Imperial Library was outlined by Lord Curzon in his speech at the inauguration. The general idea of the whole library is that it should contain all the books that have been written about India in popular terms, with the such addition as are required to make it a good all-round library of standard works of reference. From the Imperial Library to the National Library. After independence, the government of India changed the name of the Imperial Library Act 1948 and the collection was shifted from the Esplanade to the present Belvedere Estate on 1st Feb 1953. The National Library was opened to the public. इट मीन्स 1 Feb 1953 को जो है नेशनल पब्लिक लाइब्रेरीज ओपन की गई थी, इनोग्रेटेड बाय मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद। BS Kesavan was first appointed the first librarian of the National Library. सो हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सीरीज़ देख लेते हैं कि फ़र्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन कौन थे, सेकंड लाइब्रेरियन कौन थे। तो जो फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन रहे मिस्टर जॉन मैकफिलिन, जो इनका टर्म रहा है वो 1901 से 1906, इट मीन्स 5 ईयर्स रहेंगे। मिस्टर हरिनाथ दे सेकेंड नंबर पे जो इंडियन लाइब्रेरी फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन है वो 1907 से 1911 तक रहे हैं। इसका थर्ड जो लाइब्रेरियन रहे हैं मिस्टर जे चैपमैन 1911 से 1930 तक। इसके बाद मिस्टर KM असदुल्ला खान जो फोर्थ लाइब्रेरियन रहे हैं, उनका जो टर्म है 1930 से 1947, इट मीन्स सबसे ज़्यादा जो टाइम दिया है वो KM असदुल्ला जी ने दिया है, और 1930 से 1947 इट मीन्स 17 ईयर्स। इसके बाद मिस्टर BS Kesavan इन आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, सो 1948 टू 1963, एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म इनका 1970 से 1971। तो यही CPL लाइब्रेरी की हिस्ट्री है। इसमें से आपको हमेशा 1-2 क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेंगे किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को देखने में। सो थैंक यू सो मच, आपने इतना टाइम पेशेंस सुना इस वीडियो को। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू सो मच।